Assalamu alaikum, grade 8. Welcome to the lecture number 5 of chapter number 1. As you know that the name of our chapter is Introduction to Biology. So in this chapter we will only study the basics of biology. In the previous lecture we have learned about careers in biology. So the next topic is Muslim scientists. That's a very interesting topic because Muslim scientists have made great contribution to the study of science, and we should be aware of their success in different fields of science. So in today's lecture I have summarized the work of Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Asmai and Bu Ali Sina, and their contribution was in the development of present day knowledge of plants and animals. And the first scientist is Jabir bin Hayyan. He was a very famous scientist. In this lecture, we will study their contribution in biology, but he had made a very great contribution in chemistry also, and he was also known as Babai Kimia or Babai Chemistry, father of chemistry also, because he introduced sulfuric acid in chemistry. So his date of birth was 721 and he died in 815 AD. He was born in Iran and practiced medicine in Iraq. His working was he introduced experimental investigation in chemistry. So we have to understand what does mean by experimental investigation. In the previous times, when a scientist observed something, he conclude the results without doing experiment. But he was the first one who introduced experiments. You have to do experiments to support your results and investigations also. His famous books were An-Nabatat and Al-Hayawan. These famous books were on plants and animals, and Nabatat is an Arabic word and its meaning is plants, and Hayawan is also an Arabic word means animals. The next scientist is Abdul Malik Asmai. He was born in 740 and died in 828 AD. He considered the first Muslim scientist who studied animals in detail. In his book, he even gave a small detail of an animal to whom he was describing. His famous books were Al-Ibil, camel, Al-Khayl, horse, Al-Wahush, animal, and Khalaq al-Insan. These all words are Arabic words, and Khalaq al-Insan means birth of human. Khalaq means birth. The next one is Bu Ali Sina. We can say that he was a surgeon also. He was the first Muslim surgeon. Uh, he was born in 980 and died in 1037 AD. He is honored as the founder of medicine and called as Avicenna in West. His profession, he was a physician, philosopher, astronomer and poet. And you must know that he was the first one who introduced surgery in medicines, and he was the first surgeon. His famous books were Al-Qanun fi al-Tib, Canon of Medicine. Canon of Medicine is the name of this book in West. Hope you understand all these three scientists. This is a very important question in the board perspective and also included in your summer task. As a long question, you have to solve this long question as per headings described in this slide. Thank you. Hope you understand the whole topic.